Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to log out of Gmail ID on Android phone. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to log out Gmail account on Android phone. Go ahead and open Gmail app on your phone, and now just tap on your profile photo at the top right, and here tap on manage accounts on this device, and here you will find all of your added Google or Gmail accounts. Now all you have to need, tap on the Gmail or Google account that you want to remove from your Android phone or Gmail app, and now just tap on remove account, and here we can see removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the device. Now all you have to need, just tap on remove account and the Gmail account will be signed out from your Gmail and from your Android phone. If this video will help you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.